Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6 chapter 22 and we are on exercise 22b. We have finished 22a. So let us see how many questions you have to solve in exercise 22b. So in exercise 22b, question number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 example. Up to 5 example. Question number 2, 1, 2, 3, up to 3 examples. Question number 3, you can see the one I have tick marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So this much we are going to solve in this exercise 22b, and if you'll see here exercise 22c I have completely cancelled. Then you can see exercise 22d, we are going to solve certain questions that we'll see later on. Okay. So exercise 22b, question number 1. These are the examples which we are going to see. Examples. Now here, what is the difference in 22a and 22b is 22a, if you will see, it has only one transposition. Okay. For example, like here you can see this is transposed here. -2 1/5 plus 4 means only one transposition is here. Okay, but if you will see 22b, you will see here two transposed values or variables are there or constants are there. You can see here 2x plus 5 is equal to 17. This is the question. So transposition is done 2 times. Okay, how? Let us see. First transposition is done by transposing plus 5 to RHS. That is plus 5 get transposed to right hand side and it became -5. Now by now you know that when we change signs, when we change left hand side to right hand sides, or when we transpose, we have to change the sign. Okay, depending on the operation whether it is plus or minus. So plus will become minus and minus will become plus. In this case it is plus 5. So first transposition is over. Okay, so you can see here 2x is equal to 17 minus 5. So this is the first transposition. So 2x as it is I have written, but 17 minus 5 is 12. Okay, 17 minus 5 is 12. So this is the first transposition which has taken place by transposing plus 5 to RHS. Now second transposition is 2x is equal to 12 means 2 multiplied by x. So again 2 has to be transposed. So this is the difference in exercise 22a and 22b. Here we are transposing values 2 times. One addition or subtraction, other one may be multiplication and or division. Okay, so now in this case it is multiplication here, it becomes division here. So 12 upon 2, this 2 has been transposed here. 2 ones are 2, 6 are. So answer is x is equal to 6. Okay. So 3y minus 2 is equal to 1. So here you can, now you will understand that first we have to transpose. The sequence is first transpose plus or minus constants or variables. So here in this case -2 is there and that has to be transposed to RHS. So it became +2. Okay, so this one transposition is over. So 3y as it is, 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. Now again here second transposition is going on. First is -2 to RHS. Now 3 multiplied by y. So y will be on LHS and 3 comes here in the denominator, means 3 divided by 3. Since it is 3 multiplied by y is kept. So 3 becomes, 3 comes in the denominator. So 3 ones are 3 ones are, y is equal to 1. Okay. So now I can see here 5p plus 4 is equal to 29. 5p is equal to 29 minus 4 because this plus 4 has been transposed to RHS and it became -4. Okay, so first transposition is done here. That is +2 minus 2 RHS. Okay, plus becomes minus when it goes to RHS. So 5p is equal, 5p as it is, 29 minus 4 is 25. So p becomes, p is equal to 25 upon 5. So here second transposition is done. by transferring by transferring 5 to RHS. Since it was multiplication, it became division here. So 5 ones are 5 fives are, P is equal to 5. Okay. So now same question, same type of example you can see here, but now here it is minus sign is involved. That's the difference. So 4a is equal to minus 27 here, minus 3 became plus 3. So first transposition has happened here. So 4a as it is equal to minus plus, if minus sign is there, if any one minus is there, that means you have to subtract. So 27 minus 3 is 24. 27 is greater, so sign of 27, that is minus. Okay. So a is equal to minus 24 upon 4. Minus 24 upon 4. So 4 ones are 4 6 are. So here second transposition, because 4 is getting divided here. Okay. Sorry, 24 divided by 4 means 4 is dividing 24. So a is, since one minus sign is there in both, so here also minus sign will be there. If both are minus, they will be cancelled. If any one is minus, so final answer will have minus sign. Okay. So now question number 5th, I hope you will do. Question number 5th is question number 5th, that example number 5th is homework. Question number 2 we'll see now. Question number 2 first, x by 3 minus 5 is equal to 2. So x upon 3. So same thing is there, only now in this case, up to now what had happened here? This 2 transposed here at the end here, means 22 divided by 2. So 2 went in denominator. Now here what is this difference? At last this 3 will come as multiplication. Here it got divided. This 2 got divided here. Okay. And here you can see it got multiplied. Okay. Okay. So x by 3 minus 5 is equal to 2. So x by 3 is equal to 2 minus 5 became plus 5. So 2 plus 5 7. X by 3 as it is, as I told few seconds before, the difference between this question and this question, 2z is equal to minus 22. So z is equal to minus 22 upon 2. So 2 got transposed in the denominator. Here since x is divided by 3, so 3 will be transposed to numerator. Okay, means 7 multiplied by 3. Okay, since it is divided by 3 here, this became multiplied by 3. So x is equal to 7 3s are 21, and now you know the difference. So y minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 8. Y minus 2 I have to keep it on in the LHS, and minus 3 I have to transpose to plus 3. It became plus 3. So 8 minus 3 became plus 3. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Y by 2 is equal to 11. So y divided by 2. So here, since y divided by 2 is there, so when 2 gets transposed to RHS, it becomes multiplied by 2. See, here y is written y divided by 2 it is, right? So this divided by 2 becomes multiplied by 2. Okay. So y is equal to 11 multiplied by 2, that is 22. So you can see here now, next examples are of same type. I have solved it. Please take it as homework. You can see, just convert this. Now this is not a big work here. 2.5 means 2 is a 4. 4 plus 1 5 by 2. So z by 7 is equal to, this 5 by 2 is already here, plus 1 get transposed, and it becomes minus 1. So 7 by z by 7 is equal to, now here you know what to be done here, because now it is cross multiplication. We are subtracting two fractions. So accordingly we have subtracted 5 minus 2 upon 2. 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. This I am not explaining because you have studied so many times before. So z by 7 is equal to 5 minus 2, 3 upon 2. So z by 7. So z by 7 means z divided by 7. Since it is z divided by 7, this divided by 7 becomes here multiplied by 7. This 2 is already there. So 3 7s are 21 upon this 2. Okay. and you can see this I've converted into mixed form, 10 1 upon 2, so that you can know, since it was homework, but that's okay. Question number 3. Now question number 3 involves different types of questions. Okay, so let us see question number 3. Solve. Minus 8m minus 2 is equal to minus 10. So now what is, now in this case you will find more than one variables of same kind. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to transpose all variables, that is variables means x, y, z value, l, m, n or a, b, c, these types of values are unknown values are called as variables. So if more than one variable is there like a, b, c, x, y, z, that you will transpose along with their sign changes to LHS, okay, and constants to RHS. So first step is transpose all unknown values to LHS and all constants to RHS. Okay, so here in this case only one m value is there, that is variable is there, so we have no issues here. So minus 8m is equal to minus 10 already in the RHS, minus 2 I have transposed to RHS. Okay, so minus 8m is equal to minus 10 plus 2 minus 8, minus minus got cancelled, so 8 multiplied by m, so this 8 multiplied by 8 becomes divided by 8 here, so 8 ones are 8 ones are, m is equal to 1. Okay, so in this case you can see here, next case, as I told you there are two variables. So when there are two variables, first thing I have told that shift to LHS all the variables values, but now in this case there is no need of shifting, or we say transposing. Why? Because they are already in the LHS. So 4x plus 2x is 6x, okay, which is equal to 3 plus 5 is 8. So 6x, out of 6x just transpose this 6 to 6 in the denominator. Alright, so 8 upon 6, 2 3s are 2 4s are, so 4 upon 3. You can convert it into mixed form also. So now here third one you can see 4x minus x plus 5 is equal to 8. 4x minus x is 3x. This is here nothing means 1. So 4 minus 1 3. So 3x plus 5 is equal to 8. Now you know how to solve this. So 3x you can keep it in the LHS. So 8 is already in the RHS. So we have to transpose plus 5 to RHS. It became minus 5. You can see here. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 3x as it is here. So 3 multiplied by x. So this multiplied by 3 becomes divided by 3 in the denominator. So 3 ones are, answer is 1. Alright. So I hope x is equal to 1. So now rest of the sums we'll see in the next video. Thank you so much and please take care.